Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. You did read the title right. We are going to be baking a cake in the Ninja Speedi. We are going to be doing a German chocolate cake, but more foremost, this is just how to bake a cake. So obviously you can make any kind of cake, but this is how to do a cake. And actually German chocolate is my favorite kind of cake. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Let's get into the cook. Alright, so we're going to start off with what the ingredients are going to be. And they'll all actually be on the back of the box that we're using. Pillsbury German chocolate cake. So you need a pack of that, or a box of that, 3 eggs, frosting that you'd like to use. I wanted to find the just coconut, couldn't find it, so I got the coconut and pecan, but you can use whatever kind of frosting you like. And then we are going to be using a half a cup of oil. I'm just using vegetable, and then 1 cup of water, and then a big bowl to mix everything in. Let's get it. Alright, first things first, we took the package of the cake mix out. We're going to dump all the cake mix in. Let me back the camera off just a little bit here. Cake mix. Now go in with your half a cup of oil. Your 1 cup of water. Now we're going to put in our 3 eggs. Crack those. Make sure not to get the shells in the mix. Now just take a fork and just kind of start combining everything. We are going to be using a mixer actually, so just kind of get it started. So get all that stuff in there, and that looks good to me. Now we're going to get our mixer go in, and we're going to go start with low speed. Alright, we got it all whipped up and everything is incorporated. Took about 2 minutes or so. And so the next step, take your pan that's inside the Ninja Speedi, take it out, and we'll actually, I'm sorry, you don't have to take it out. I'm taking it out for filming purposes, but you can do this if you want. So I'm going to take it out, and then the first thing you want to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil in here, spray oil. I've got some avocado oil. You can use Pam or whatever you got, but just go in and give it a little spray in there to coat the bottom and a little bit of the sides. Now we're going to dump our cake mix in. Alright, get in there, cake mix. And this is going to be a lovely cake. A lovely cake. A lovely cake. Yeah. Alright, get all of it in there. And then just smooth it out. Looks good to me. Everything looks good. Now we're going to go to the Ninja and get this thing baked. Okay, so now we are at the Ninja. The unit is not on, and obviously we don't have the insert in because we took the insert out to fill it with the cake mix. And like I said, that was just for filming purposes. You don't have to take the pan out. So anyway, we've got our pan here. Just go ahead and put it right back in. And we got the cake mix and everything in there. Now we are going to close the top, turn the unit on, and we do want to be over, so not the rapid cook side, we want to be on the air fry stovetop side. We are going to go down to bake and roast function, set it at 350. We're going to set the time for 40 minutes. We will be checking it. Hit start, and we'll see you, and you'll probably check it after about 30 minutes or so. See you then. Alright, so we are counting down from 40 minutes down to 0. 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. We're going to open it up and take a look-see here, and oh yeah. Alright, so that looks perfect, but the true test is I have a toothpick here, so just go into the center first and poke around all the way down, and the toothpick comes out clean. And just kind of poke around, make sure that you're not getting. Oh, clean, clean, clean. That is good, good, good. Clean everywhere. Clean toothpick means this thing is done. Awesome. Now, what I like to do is I like to close this up. Now it's done. Now I like the bottom of my cake to have a little, just a tiny bit of crispness on it, okay? So we're actually going to flip this over. Now it's done. You can take it out and frost it up. Right now, it's done. But what I like to do, I'm going to go down to steam and crisp. I'm going to turn the temperature down to 300. And once we get there, and then the time, we'll just set it for a few minutes. Let's see here. We'll give it like 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes actually. And give it just 4 minutes, and the bottom element's going to start crisping up the bottom of that cake. So good. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so it was the 4 minutes we had for the steam and crisp. I just want to check it at 1 minute just to make sure that it's just how I like it. Of course, the cake still looks the same, but I'm just testing the sides, and yes. Oh yeah, that is lovely. It's all ready to come out in one big piece. All right, I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna frost it. All right, so let's frost this thing up. Got the lid off of the frosting here, coconut and pecan, and the cake is perfect. Yes, go ahead, dig in to your frosting. Use a spatula, a butter knife, whatever you want. And we're just gonna go around and spread the love. Oh yeah. Okay, so we got it all spread on. Now, if you want to do the sides or whatever you want, that is fine. This is good for me. Now we will actually, I'm gonna cut into it, but I gotta take a picture for the thumbnail. See you in a minute. All right, so we gave it just a few minutes to cool down. Got it all iced and frosted, coconut and pecan. Now, my favorite piece is the corners, but we're just gonna cut. Oh yeah, hear that little crisp right there? Oh, that is amazing, love it. Yeah, that little steam and crisp on the last minute there. And we'll take a look in the middle. Everything is cooked perfectly. And it's still actually, really hot. But hot cake, yum. So my favorite is the corner over here. Oh, you got a little crunch. Ooh, that is so good. All right, so now it's just time to take a bite. Let's do it. See how it turned out. Perfect. All right, this is cooked absolutely perfect. Don't go anywhere. I got some words. I'll meet you up top. All right, so we are finished with the cook, and that is how you bake a cake in the Ninja Speedi. So just keep in mind, the Ninja is a convection oven. So if you can do it in the oven, you can do it in the Speedi. All right, so if you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Give a thumbs up, drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook.